Good morning, students. Today we are going to revise the drainage chapter again. Okay, and I have taken first page of this chapter. Drainage. What is drainage basin? Area drained by a single river system. Single river system is going to be drain the area, irrigate the area, give the water to a particular area. Okay, and closer observation on map will indicate that any elevated area such as mountain or an upland separate two drainage basin. Okay, if your water is going to be divided, then we can say that drainage basin is separate two drainage basin. Such an upland is coming when water is coming from your upland in a plain area. On that time river divides the water, and we can say that water divide. And what is water divide is their question. Okay, one question is there also. And world largest drainage basin in the world is Nile River in Egypt. Egypt is lying in your North Africa. Okay. And which river has largest basin in India? You find out. You tell me later on. बाद में मुझे बताना आपने. And first, drainage system in India. कि India has drainage system. India mainly controlled by broad relief features. Subcontinent and subcontinent. Okay, Indian river divide into two measure. In north which rivers are going in, south which rivers are going on. Okay, first they have taken Himalayan river. Himalayan rivers always have the water with that, because these rivers coming from your Himalayan mountain, and you know about that these mountain always covered with snow. Okay, Himalayan always covered with snow, and when your snow is going to melt, and it convert into your water. Okay, and maybe you have seen that those river which are coming from your Himalayas always have a cold water, and we are not able to touch it. Okay, and the water through these river. And one question is from here, what do you mean by perennial rivers? Ki perennial rivers always have the water. Perennial rivers are not depend on rain. Okay, through melting snow it always coming with water, always. And two major river they have taken here, Indus and Brahmaputra. And you know about the Brahmaputra is coming from your Arunachal Pradesh to Assam, enter in Assam. Okay, and Indus is coming from your north area. Okay, and originated from the north of the mountain ranges. North of the mountain ranges, the Brahmaputra is also, when you see on Google or on your map, you see from north your Brahmaputra is also coming, and Indus is also coming from there, and they have cut through the mountain making George. You know, George को हिंदी में हम क्या बोलते हैं? खाई. Okay, near in the picture below they have prescribed that George river is going from there. Okay, Himalayan river have long course from their source to sea. You know about that your Indus is also, your Brahmaputra is coming from covered a long of distance, and after that your Brahmaputra is also fall in your Bay of Bengal. Your Indus is also going to fall in Arabian Sea from this one is going to your in Pakistan according to there. Okay, and they perform intensive erosional activity, and they also take the sediments from there, take the fertile soil from there, and carry huge load of silt and sand. Sand and silt is coming with the rivers which are coming from your Himalayas. Always fertile soil bring by your rivers which are coming from your Himalayas, and make the your plain fertile. Okay, and there is also journey of river is there. Ki these rivers form meanders, oxbow, lakes, and many other depositional features in their floodplains. Okay, they have well developed deltas. Well developed deltas. In next page you will see the journey of a river. In seventh you also read about that. What is the journey of river? How your river covered the long distance when he met with the sea. Okay, up to here we will read that. Tomorrow we will start the next one. Okay, thank you beta.